Hello, my darlings. Kamalam Natasha Nyawuza. So yesterday in Bugile, something very disturbing. Neazimos La Choir that has been trending, that's doing very well. Le bizongoba Tanda group choir that is based in Cape Town. Le nama ladies amaninzi, it's been doing so well and they've got great following on social media. They are loved. They are getting bookings left, right, and center. Our mugelis by travelisha all over the world befumana bookings, and even here in SA they are getting a lot of bookings. Busy man or girls. And you would think to yourself, in the one the way busy corner. They are making money, only to find out in the that's not the case. Abantwana babantu, they have been exploited in the most painful way ever. Mamela apakisana kutiwa. The two managers, the white guys, manager those ladies. La Mzansi mabefuna bookings, they charge 40,000 rands per performance, 45 minutes. And mind you, even though choir and our members are between 50 to 60, mabe bookwa abayibonke at the same time. Ingathi kuthiwa kuye 15 or less. And kuthiwa they get bookings, maybe 6 bookings a week. That's 250,000 rands. Do you know into banba kuthiwa bababhatala 400 rands each? Plus nama food parcels. Where is this money going? 250,000 rands. Where is it going? Patala 4. Let's say by 15 abayileyo bayo performer. 250,000. 400 rands. Like, it really does not make sense. There's a lot that they are doing. They buy my uniforms. They buy babathengela Tommy shoes. Uniform Jenna, it's a once-off thing. It's not something you buy with performance. Ama Tommys, it's not something you buy every day. Guys, what do you think about that whole situation and the pain of the lead singer? Your managers charge 40,000 rands per performance while you are getting 400. Akukho even kwa transparency. They didn't even know ukuthi kuchajwa leyo mali. Obviously, I'm sure they were told ukuthi kuchajwa less to explain the 400 bayifumanayo. Yeah.